Hello everyone, in this video we shall learn some important fact about World Food Day. So first let's see when World Food Day is celebrated. So World Food Day is celebrated on 16th of October. So this day is very important. 16th October is celebrated as World Food Day. So let us not forget to celebrate food because that is the most important lifeline. Okay. Remembrance of the day when the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations was founded in 1945. The primary focus is to tackle global hunger and strive to eradicate hunger across the world. Okay. Now next is grow, nourish and sustain. Today only 9 plant species account for 66% of total crop production. Despite the fact that there are at least 30,000 edible plants, and we need to grow a variety of food to nourish people, accelerate and strengthen food systems to protect people's livelihoods. So what is the importance of food? So food is as much necessary as our water is necessary for us. Okay, so food is the most important lifeline. Okay, and it helps our body to grow, our mind, our body to nourish, and it helps also sustain our life. Okay, so food is important, and today there are only 9 plant species account for 66% of total crop production, and despite the fact that there are at least 30,000 edible plants. Okay, next thing is food system gaps. Approximately 14% of food produced for human consumption is lost each year between the stages where it is grown to the wholesale market. More food is wasted at the retail food and consumer stages. Okay, so it is more important that when our country is facing through hunger, our country is facing through poverty, so we must be aware that 14% of food produced for human consumption is lost every year. So, okay, so food must not be wasted. It should be taken under consideration that food is not wasted, because food is much more important than other thing is important. Okay, next is COVID-19 fuels hunger. Nearly 690 million people are hungry. 690 million people are hungry, up to 10 million since 2019, and the COVID-19 pandemic could add between 83 to 132 million people to this number. Understood that up to 10 million people since 2019 are hungry, live in hunger, and due to this corona pandemic, COVID-19 pandemic, the number is growing, multiplying. It is 83 to 132 million of people to this number, depending on the economic growth scenario. So these are important things that we must know, and I hope you all like this video. Thank you so much.